amount of $5,000 is invested at an interest rate of 6% compounded annually. What is the value of this investment in 5 years? An amount of $5,000 tells us that that is our C0 value. C0 is 5,000. The interest rate is 6% annually. So I is 6% annually. And we convert that into a decimal by dividing 6 by 100. So we get 0.06. That's what we use in our calculations. What is the value of this investment? So we're asking what is CT? That's our unknown. And the term is in 5 years, so T is 5 years. Now we just check that our term is in years and our interest rate is stated annually, so those are in the same units. We don't need to do any conversion there. Write out our equation for CT is equal to C0 times 1 plus I, all to the exponent T. Then we substitute in all of our values. 5,000 times 1 plus I, which is 0.06, to the exponent T, which is 5. So we've got 5,000 times 1.06 to the exponent 5, which is 5,000 times 1.3382, which when we multiply it all out is $6,691.12. Therefore, the value of the investment in 5 years is $6,691.12. You purchase a new computer for $1,200. The value of the computer depreciates at a rate of 43% annually. How much will your computer be worth in 3 years? So your initial purchase, C0, is $1,200. The value of the computer depreciates at a rate of 43% annually. So our I is 43%. We convert that into a decimal. We get 0.43, and that's annually. And how much will the computer be worth? So we're looking for CT is our unknown, and the term we're given is 3 years. We do a check to make sure our term is in the same units as our interest rate, and they are because we're talking years and annually, so we're good to go there. Now we can go ahead and use our standard formula. CT is equal to C0 times 1. Now, we're dealing with depreciation, which means it gets less. So this time, we're using a minus I, all to the exponent of T. It's $1,200 times 1 minus 0.43 to the exponent of 3. 1,200 times 0.57 cubed. And you do the math, and you end up with $222.23. Therefore, the value of the computer after 3 years is $222.23. Valerie invests $2,500, there's our C0, at an interest rate of 2.3% compounded quarterly. Convert that into a decimal by dividing by 100. What is the value of her investment? So we're looking for CT, that's our unknown, after 6 years, so our term is 6 years. However, when we do the check here, comparing our years to our interest rate units is in quarters of years, so we have to convert our T, our time, into the same units. So the 6th, and there are 4 quarters obviously in a year, so we end up with 24 quarters. Using our standard formula, CT is equal to C0 times 1 plus I to the exponent T. C0 is 2,500 times 1 plus 0.023 to the exponent of 24. So we have 2,500 times 1.023 to the exponent 24. It's 2,500 times 1.7259. Final number crunching gives us $4,314.74. Therefore, the value of her investment after 6 years is $4,314.74.